Hi guys, I'm Dr. Tlaleng and today I bring you some information on how to use condoms properly. Well, we know that the female and the male condom are great to prevent both HIV and pregnancies, but this really depends on how well you use the condom. So some few tips before we start. Firstly, you have to look at the expiry date of your condom. Both the male and the female condoms have expiry dates that you need to be aware of. If it has passed that date, please do not use that condom, discard it. The other thing is you need to make sure that that A is still in the packaging. That will show you that the condom is still in good condition. There are places that you shouldn't be storing your condoms, guys, and that's the back pocket of your jeans, that's your wallet, and the cabby hole in the car. This is what a female condom looks like once it has been opened. And remember, when you open your packaging, you will not use your teeth or your scissors. You just have to use the serrated edges and that will open quite easily. The one way to put this condom on for the ladies, there's an inner ring that's inside the condom. This one shouldn't be removed. And there's the outer ring that's going to be covering your vagina once the condom is inside. The one way to put this condom on for the ladies is to squeeze this ring that's inside in between your fingers. I'm just going to demonstrate for you how you slip it in. Okay, and that's it. It's in, and this is what it looks like outside of the vagina. As you can appreciate that it will be covering quite a large area outside of your vagina, including some of your pubic hairs and your labia as well. The great thing about the female condom is that it can be put in up to 8 hours before you start having sex. And of course, as you can see, it's quite large on the outside, which provides you a greater area of protection from sexually transmitted infections. What's also great about the female condom is that it's not made out of latex. So if you've got a latex allergy, this will be a great option for you. Another thing is you can use as much lubrication as you want. It's not limited to an oil-based or a water-based lubricant. So that's the female condom for you. And now the male condom. This is what it looks like once it has been opened. There is this dome here that in fact you need to press and take the air bubble out if you want to use it properly. So this wooden penis of mine, just for ease of demonstration. You see how I've still pressed that to remove the air bubble, and it should slide easily onto the shaft of the penis. And then if I let go, you can see there's no air in there. One of the things that make condoms pop is because when you put it on, you don't press there and that air bubble will pop and tear the condom while you are having sex. So let's imagine then that you have now penetrated and you are busy having sex. Afterwards, it's quite important to remember that the penis will go flaccid and go quite limp. So what's important is that you need to hold your penis as you remove the condom. Be careful to make sure that there isn't any spillage of semen or any ejaculation fluid. So you will then tie a knot, tie it, and make sure that it's sealed. You will then apply a tissue or a serviette, wrap it, and throw it in the bin. The same with the female condom. Once it has been removed, you have to make sure that the contents are sealed, and you wrap a tissue as well, and you throw that in the bin. So that's just a few tips on how to use condoms properly. And remember guys, you have to have these conversations before you start having sex. And you can incorporate how to put the condom on, perhaps during foreplay. Make it fun for yourselves, and remember that the aim is to really decrease the risk of getting sexually transmitted infections, including HIV. And of course, if condoms are used properly and safely every time, they will also help prevent pregnancy.